If you're looking for the best camera backpack for travel, you've come to the right place. We'll be taking a look into PGYTech's OneMo 25-litre backpack. So, what makes the perfect camera travel backpack? Whilst there's certainly more than one criteria, I would definitely say that the backpack has to be tourist friendly. Basically, it should have enough space and features to make travel easier. What really helps with storage is this front pouch. It's initially designed to actually hold a gimbal, but if you don't have one, you can basically expand this front pouch and use it as a tote bag. I'm not kidding when I say that. I've even packed my Muay Thai gear once. Oh, yes! Now, of course, having the capacity to pack a lot is one thing, but how is it on the straps? For the amount of weight it actually has to support, the straps do a decent job. They're not the best straps I've used and they're far from the worst. They could definitely use a lot more padding like other bags I've seen though. You need to factor in weight distribution when packing, as I do find the modular system just a little bit awkward because they advertise, hey, you can pack it however you want, but they have this one main divider which is sort of primarily used to divide the top from the bottom of the bag. This is just a minor nitpick. If you actually look at the bag, a lot of it is actually designed for the top and bottom packing style. And you can definitely tell it was designed that way because the bottom pouch actually fits their sling perfectly. Now, if you are interested in this sling, pay attention because we'll gloss over it later in this video. Now let's look at the top-bottom packing system. Now when you pack for the top, you have this quick access pocket, and with the way I orient my bag, it also doubles as a quick access for my camera whenever I do pack it into the bag. Now looking at the bottom flap, you have this battery storage system and it's absolutely perfect. I love the visual indicators they provide. Now looking at the other side of the bag, you can see there's a water bottle compartment which also doubles as a tripod holder. And on top of that, they have a similar flap. This one doesn't open into the main compartment, but it's really good for storing things like passports. I will say, with all the organization they provide, I really wish they had a quick access pocket on the top of the bag. And just as an added bonus, it can stand up by itself. And this bag also has some other travel quirks, which are a MOLLE attachment system, an elegant way of mounting a camera clip, and a waterproof cover. And it has a laptop and tablet compartment. Now, bag aside, let's take a look at the sling. The sling follows the exact same design principles of the Big Chungus backpack. Of course they managed to put some expandable storage on this sling. However, even if you don't use expandable storage, this thing packs a lot. It can comfortably fit a Tamron 70-180 G2 upright. However, if you were testing the upper limits of this sling, realistically you could fit about 3 lens standing upright. So, taking a step back, I would definitely recommend the PGYTech OneMo backpack. It's a super versatile backpack with so much storage for your tourism desires. However, if you're looking for a camera backpack just purely for camera gear, I wouldn't recommend it. There are much more ergonomic options out there, mine being the Think Tank Mindshift backpack that I've reviewed here. I hope this is the right corner. If this video helped you, please leave a like, comment and subscribe so you can support the channel. Thank you. Anyhow,